Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by anchoring what you can already do. Record 3 scales to identify your comfortable vocal range and mark extremes. Once done, pick 1 to 2 target voices and listen for character traits, pitch, pacing, breath placement for 30 to 60 seconds each. Then set your recording chain, a cardioid mic, 44. 148 kHz sample rate, quiet room. Make sure to do a 5-minute warm-up and a short test take, so you can jump into the first practice pass immediately. Now you move from mimicry to creation. Start by isolating traits, exact pitch area, tempo, energy, and unique vowel shapes. Repeat short clips to match them. Then modify those elements, lower pitch a few semitones, add breathiness, change tempo, and do 3-stage practice. Mimic, alter, internalize. Once comfortable, record ADR-style blocks of 10 to 20 short lines, varying emotional direction each take so you build a palette. Make sure to monitor and compare takes, not just trust memory. Finish by comping a final performance. Choose the best breaths, timing, and emotional peaks from multiple takes, and assemble them for continuity. Then apply gentle EQ and compression to sit the voice in the mix. Cut muddiness, tame peaks, make sure to use subtle moves so you don't lose character. If you get inconsistent results, use the reference chain method. Record a short reference phrase before each take, /be them against your original sample, and adjust delivery or mic distance until matches are reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.